Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the beauty of Christmas. So let's go enjoy the wonder of Christmas. Christmas is a holiday celebrated on December 25th by many people around the world. It's a time for giving gifts, spending time with family, decorating, and sharing joy. Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ, an important figure in Christianity, but people of all backgrounds often enjoy the holiday. One of the biggest parts of Christmas is giving gifts. People buy or make presents for family, friends, and loved ones. On Christmas Eve or Christmas morning, they exchange these gifts. Many children believe in Santa Claus, a jolly man with a white beard who wears a red suit. They believe Santa flies around the world on Christmas Eve in a sleigh pulled by reindeer, delivering gifts to children while they sleep. The birth of Jesus is a story from over 2,000 years ago, told in the Bible. According to the story, an angel visited a young woman named Mary and told her she would have a special baby, Jesus, who would be the Son of God. Mary and her husband, Joseph, traveled to a town called Bethlehem for a census, but all the inns were full. They found shelter in a stable where animals stayed. That night, Jesus was born in the stable, and Mary placed him in a manger, a feeding trough for animals. Angels appeared to nearby shepherds to announce his birth, saying he would bring peace and hope to the world. The shepherds and later wise men, or magi, came to visit Jesus, bringing gifts and celebrating his arrival. Today, people celebrate his birth on December 25th, which is Christmas, as a time of love, peace, and joy. Decorations are another fun part of Christmas. Many families put up a Christmas tree in their home and decorate it with lights, ornaments, and sometimes a star on top. Christmas lights, wreaths, and other decorations are also put up in homes and outside to spread holiday cheer. During Christmas, people often sing carols, which are special Christmas songs like Jingle Bells or Silent Night. People might gather to sing carols together either at home, outside, or at church. Food is also a big part of Christmas. Many families have special meals or bake treats like cookies, pies, and cakes. In some places, people make gingerbread houses, decorating them with candy. Christmas is about love, kindness, and being together with those who matter to us. It's a holiday filled with warmth, celebration, and a feeling of happiness. Thanks for watching.